Thank you.
My heart is about to jump out of my chest.
Mine isn't.
Alright guys, keep your heads back. Here we go. We're rolling back.
Oh my God.
And now we're in the launch position. Whew. It's a hot day today.
Oh God.
What's the matter with you, Tam?
I love you.
It's a good thing I got bradycardia.
Alright guys, here we go. 3, 2, 5.
Oh my God.
Oh, that was great.